I'm going to show you how to cuff a pair of pants, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alter your own clothes and save a bundle. Here's the fast version how, so you can get a quick overview. Detailed version link in the description below. You need a good 3 inches to cuff a pair of pants, 3 inches extra, so your first line is going to be about 3 inches up. You're going to need 3 more lines beyond that, the width of however wide you want the cuff to be. Cut on that last line, press under on that last line, press under again on the second line, and on the last line, press outward. Now you have your cuff. When it comes time to sew, fold back at that second fold line, pin well all the way around, and you're either going to machine blind hem by hand, or straight stitch, which is perhaps the easiest and fastest. So a presser foot width from the fold line around, straight stitch. There you can see it, except it will disappear when you fold the cuff back. Lastly, stitch in the ditch at the side seams. This is going to hold the cuff up securely. There. You did it. You cuffed a pair of pants. Good job. For some of you, this quick version will be enough demonstration to run with. Otherwise, check out the link in the description below for the detailed version.